In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find completed auctions on eBay. Whether you're trying to determine the market value of an item, compare prices, or do a bit of research before selling, this process is both simple and extremely useful. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, head over to ebay.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the search bar at the top of the page. This is where it all begins. For this example, let's search for a classic item, the PlayStation 2 console. Type it into the search bar and hit enter. You'll now see a page full of current listings for your search, everything from brand new items to live auctions. But what we're interested in today are the items that have already finished their auctions, not those currently for sale. To do that, look at the filters on the left-hand side of the page. This is your control panel for narrowing down your search results. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Show Only. Here, you'll see an option called Completed Items. Check that box. Once selected, eBay will update your results to display only the listings that have ended, whether they sold or not. But if you only want to see items that were actually sold, there's one more quick step. Just below Completed Items, check the box labeled Sold Items. This automatically includes the completed listings filter and focuses exclusively on auctions that ended with a sale. This step gives you a clear picture of what buyers are really paying, not just what sellers are asking. It's an excellent way to gauge true market value and understand price trends for your items. And that's it. You've now learned how to find completed auctions on eBay. By using this simple method, you can easily analyze past sales, make smarter pricing decisions, and become a more informed buyer or seller.